With that, we have come to NPM series, and I'll continue work on more series as well on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and stay updated with latest tech tutorial and tech blogs. We started with installing NPM and understood what NPM means till we understood what NPM caching and purging means. We looked around what NPM dependencies are, what dep dependencies are, what peer dependencies are. We also looked around package lock JSON file, also package.json file, which was very useful. And remember, if you are building a next package, make sure that you follow semantic versioning we just talked about in this series, right? So with that, I hope you have loved this series. Consider subscribing to this channel because it takes a lot of hard work to bring this tutorial and series, right? And I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching this video. And let me know in the comment section what do you think about this series and what series you want to watch in the future, so I can bring that on this channel and help you out. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.